In front of me is Oppo F11 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Google. Then choose All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Passwords. Click on one of your passwords you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!